Alright, this is a daily chart of BBRY. Before I talk about BBRY, I'm going to be talking about Twitter, Facebook, and another stock called DATA. And this is all related to BBRY as it relates to the importance of confirmation. And then I'm going to talk about BBRY, so be patient, and it's well worth to see this video from start to end. So here we go. Let's start with TWTR. TWTR is a stock I talked about way back on August the 22nd. And if we go to my stream, if you go down to, there it is here, August 20th, not Apple here, Twtr. Yeah, here, I explain my system and why I think Twitter has a better setup than Facebook plus Apple, BBRY examples and more. You should click that video. That's on August 23rd at 3:58 p.m. Again, my stream is a wealth of information. You should really check out a lot of stuff that I'm doing. You'll see there's a lot of positive comments. Now, if we go to here, as you can see, I just put out this data update here, and what a lot of my special followers get is these charts. So if you click on that link, you're going to see these are the likes. A lot of people are liking that because they already witnessed this stuff. And at the same time, you're not going to see very many gurus having this kind of followership, as you may. For a reason is people are really, when they find out what I can do, they're really impressed. Now, let's click on data, DATA. And basically, I said this to my special followers. Now, becoming a follower, you won't get this. Well, only special followers get that, and that's another topic. But right now, as you can see, this was a mistake. This, if you click on this bar here, that was August the 29th, which was a Friday's close. I sent this the next day to my followers on the weekend, and this is what they seen. You can pause the video and read that, and that's data. Now, I'm going to go back to the charts here. Let's go back to the charts. So Twitter, I said, would be would outperform Facebook, and you can see that by, if you look at my video, I show you that video to see for yourself, and then that's exactly what happened. If we take a look at August the 22nd, you can see Facebook really hasn't gone very far, whereas Twitter, WTR, has. And one of the biggest reasons is that Twitter confirmed properly, and I also, by looking at the visionary lines, I knew that this had the better bang to move. So what has this got to do with BBRY? Well, it's the same thing. BBRY, I'm looking at the visionary lines and the patterns and in my opinion, unless it can create the volume necessary to break above key levels, you get into the chop zone. I've made many videos how we're in a chop zone, and exactly that's what's happening. It is in a chop zone. And unless it can break out properly, it doesn't have a chance to go in test 14. So volume will be key here. This can chop indefinitely, and even go lower. So confirmation is key. Again, you check out what I said about Facebook and Twitter, and I identify Twitter as the better performer, and not a lot of gurus can do that. But what's the big deal in all this is that I have very good identification process. And I'll give you an example. I told my followers about a stock. I was bullish on it, BIDU, and I said that this needed to crack above 230. Well, it could never really crack above 230, okay? And it wasn't based on this day here. It never cracked above 230 properly. And basically, the stock has since pulled back. I actually went into this stock, took some early entry signals, and lost money. I had to take losses on that. I've had SPWR was also stock that was confirmed. But it didn't go very well. It was a quick stop out. But most of the stocks that I put up, like Twitter and Apple, and if you take a look on my and data, of course, they've been pretty good winners. I mean, the entry was basically the day on Monday's opening, and then it consolidated a bit. And even with the net market being negative, this pushed higher. And you can check out my targets in DATA. Also, Twitter, TWTR is getting. You can check out in my video, but I had targets of $54 to $57 a share. It looks like we're getting pretty close. And I had stated this. This was the confirmation day over here. Again, if you look deeply into my stream, you will find all the facts. Everything I'm saying in this video is correct by the huge gains in the options in Apple. To a lot of strong gains in small stocks, like they didn't go very far, but when I talked about it, this just popped about 50%, and they pull it back. This was a profitable trade nonetheless. I exited this position on this day here. For small profits. It could have went, it didn't, and again, not all winners, not all trades are going to be huge winners. Sometimes you're going to take small losses or even small gains, but my stats keep showing that we are winning a lot more than we're losing when we apply all the rules or the confirmation. And so just follow my stream and see my updates for myself and see how all my followers like what I'm doing, my special followers like what I'm doing. And yep, there you have it. A great update there. Thanks for listening. Like the video.